Good morning guys, welcome back to another day in Alberta, Canada, and we're actually flying home today. It's around 9:30 a.m. We're just going on a morning walk, then we're going to head back to the condo, pack up the cases, load up the car, and then head straight to the airport, because I think our flight is at around 2 p.m. and we need to get there like 2-3 hours early, so I'm going to head straight to Calgary, head to the airport, drop the car off, and then check into our flights. It's honestly so warm today. It's probably the warmest it's been since we got here. As you can see, sun is shining, blue skies all around, just paradise. Okay, so obviously we've checked out of the condo now. Car is all loaded up, just got a little bit of gas, literally put like $20 in. It wasn't worth filling the tank up. Usually when you take a rental car back, you're supposed to take it back full, but for whatever reason they said that when you take it back we'll offer you a better price per litre. As long as it's like near enough empty. They said they'll only charge us like $1.35 per litre, which at the pumps it's like $1.55. Don't ask me why, it really doesn't make any sense, because usually they would charge you a premium. So I don't know if they've managed to get, you know, some cheap fuel or something, no idea. But let's just hope that is the case. Let's just hope it is cheaper, you know, with them charging us. But yeah, we're on the road now. We should be at the airport for around 12:30. We'll drop the car off, head into Terminal 1 at Calgary International, and then we will drop the bags off and yeah, head through security and all the usual stuff. No idea.
Oh no, it says, oh, does that say Eurocar? Who are we with?
Avis. I honestly have no idea where the rental car drop off is. I mean, you wouldn't even know this is an airport. You wouldn't even know this is an airport if you didn't see that plane just there, would you?
No.
It just looks like a shopping
Oh, I assume it's through there, in that building. Hey! God, it's a bit round the houses.
Yeah. Rental car return, middle lane. Okie doke. I think we found it. Departures, rental car return. Yeah, this should be it. We hope.
I wasn't looking.
That's reserved parking. Oh, there we go.
Avis.
Avis, turn left.
See Avis?
Avis.
Avis.
Yeah. Just in here, is it?
Come on, Mr. Magpie. Yeah.
Gotta be, isn't it? Yeah. It's very tight, isn't it? Imagine that, you go the whole trip without damage, and then you literally just scrape the car as you pull into the parking garage. Goodbye, old Jeep. You've been good to us. I think you need a good wash though. Absolutely filthy.
Like those masks should stay on at all times. Please cover your mouth and mouth unless you consume a beverage. It is a federal requirement. On behalf of the crew today and myself, I'd like to thank you very much for choosing Air Canada. It is our pleasure to have you on board, and we do hope you enjoy this short flight over the Rocky Mountains. Thank you and have a great day.
Alright guys, so let me explain. So of course, I think you last left off when we got to Calgary Airport. We just dropped the car off. Now, right now, we've just got off a flight from Calgary to Vancouver. You're probably wondering, why the hell are you in Vancouver? We're just here for a 3-hour layover. Originally we should have went direct from Calgary back to London, Heathrow. But they changed the flight like a bunch of times, so we're having a 3-hour layover here. Then we've got a 9-hour flight back to Heathrow. It's a bit annoying because we've kind of gone the wrong way. We've gone further away from our destination, but it is what it is. Just stopped to get some food from A&W. Well needed. I did feel very hungry, but now I feel very full. So yeah, I guess we're just gonna try and kill some time in the airport. I may have a wash, get cleaned up, and yeah, I guess get back on that flight, that 9-hour flight back to the UK. Okay then guys, back in the UK now then. Straight back in the car, fired the engine up, fired straight up, no issues whatsoever. Obviously back on the roads. I'm so tired. We've been up for, I don't know, God knows how long. It's got to be close to 24 hours now. I virtually slept 0 hours on the plane. I just, for whatever reason, I can't sleep on the plane. I don't know if it's because I'm, you know, 7 foot tall or what, but I just can't seem to sleep on a flight, no matter which seats we choose. And I'm also very hungry, so I think we're more than likely going to stop somewhere on the way back, and then we'll get home, and I'll kind of wrap things up there, I think.